Jesus!
What is it?
What am I doing in your bed?
Seriously?
Here's my clothes now. What was? Neighbor, what are they for your bed now?
Are you seriously asking me that question? So you want to tell me that I did not remember anything that happened here last night?
Hey! Happened here? How not, neighbor? You know, I don't remember anything. The only thing I remembered was my friend. We went to a party, and we were drinking now. And I remember they dropped me at the gate. See, I don't remember anything again. You know. Neighbor,
they dropped you at the gate. That's the only thing you remembered. Okay, let me refresh your memory. I was sleeping on my own, JJ. Then I had a knock on my door. I went to the door and I saw you. You were so drunk, like dead drunk. You were smelling.
the money they pranked me, Joe.
Prank? Okay, I'll prank you and bring you to my bed. You were smelling. You were so drunk. I even asked you, I told you to give me your key. Let me take you to your apartment. You didn't even say anything. You only said I should. I had to bring you here. Okay, wait. Let me give you to my room. Help me now.
Neighbor. You can't even come here. In my clothes.
Your clothes? Like this, it's out there. I dropped it there.
Neighbor.
What is it?
I need kid.
So?
I couldn't think. Why? Who asked you to remove my clothes now? You throw it.
Seriously?
Wait. This is my pee.
Shebi, you've seen mine. And I've seen yours too. 1-1.
Hey! But since you see, I don't remember. But neighbor, did we do
in your dreams?
God have mercy upon us.
so we no do? Hey!